my lovely people, welcome back to Homemade Recipe and Lifestyle. My name is Lola and you're welcome to my channel. In today's recipe, I'll be showing you guys how to prepare this delicious and mouth-watering fried cabbage recipe. This recipe was inspired by one of my chef here on YT. Is one of my sister on YT and her name is Masa Queen. Yeah guys, please visit Masa Queen. I'm going to put the link to her channel in the description down below. Please check her out and subscribe to her channel. Alright guys, please let's go into today's video. Alright guys, these are the list of my ingredients to make this fried cabbage recipe, and I'll be introducing them to you one after the other. I have some chicken sausages here. I'm using 8 chicken sausages. She used turkey sausage on our own video. Next, I have my cooking bacon. I'm using cooking bacon because it has less fat. Here are my cabbage. I'm using 2 medium size. I have my bell peppers, onion, scotch bonnet. Here is my black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. I have my grated ginger, stock powder, paprika powder, and oil. So the first thing I'm going to do is to start by cutting the cabbage. I will take out the core because that can spoil the taste of your food. It tastes bitter. For this recipe, I'm using what is available for me in my kitchen. Now I finished cutting the cabbage. I will proceed to the next process, which is my bell pepper. I will cut the bell peppers. I'm using green and red bell peppers. Here I have my fry pan on my cooker, and I'll go ahead by adding a little bit of oil. I'm going to use salt. Bacon and sausage contain salt, even the stock powder as well, so there's no need for salt. Do not add salt when you're making this. On same oil, I will go ahead and then I will add the cabbage. If you have fresh celery at home, please add it to this recipe because Masa Queen added celery to our own, so you can go ahead and add celery if you are making this, but it is not available for me. I don't have at home. Stir this together and cook for about 4 minutes or 5. Now I'm going to add lemon juice. This will help to reduce the smells from the cabbage. At this stage, This recipe is ready. As you can see, this looks so delicious. And I'll be taking this with white boiled rice. This is very nice with white rice. You can as well use potato, plantains, pasta, or even white yam. But I love having mine with white rice. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, please stay blessed. Bye.